Get ready for the ultimate African adventure. Join us on a thrilling journey through Tanzania's best safaris, where you'll encounter incredible wildlife and breathtaking landscapes. From the majestic lions of the Serengeti to the towering elephants of Tarangire, we'll take you on a wild ride across the country's most spectacular national parks. With expert guides and state-of-the-art vehicles, you'll be fully immersed in the untamed beauty of Tanzania's wilderness. So, buckle up and prepare for the wildest adventure of a lifetime. Join me as I take on the challenge of experiencing the wildest adventure in Tanzania's best safaris. Can I handle all the incredible wildlife and breathtaking sights? In this video, you'll discover the most thrilling safari experiences that Tanzania has to offer, showcasing the beauty and diversity of its wildlife. Many travelers struggle to choose the best safari locations and experiences, often feeling overwhelmed by the options available. With so many incredible national parks and game reserves to choose from, it can be difficult to know where to start. You might find yourself scrolling through endless reviews and travel blogs, trying to get a sense of which destinations are truly unmissable. Or perhaps you're someone who's always dreamed of going on safari, but isn't sure what to expect or how to plan the trip of a lifetime. Whatever your situation, Tanzania's vast and varied landscapes can be intimidating, to say the least. But don't worry, we're about to dive into the best safari experiences this incredible country has to offer. Deciding on the right safari experience can be a daunting task, especially for those new to the world of wildlife adventures. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of seeing the big five: lion, leopard, rhinoceros, elephant, and Cape buffalo. But there's so much more to a Tanzanian safari than just ticking off a checklist. You'll want to consider the time of year, the type of accommodations, and the expertise of your guides, all of which can make or break your safari experience. Explore the top safari destinations in Tanzania, and you'll quickly realize just how spoiled for choice you are. From the endless plains of Serengeti National Park to the breathtaking crater of Ngorongoro, each destination offers a unique perspective on the region's incredible biodiversity. Take the Great Migration, for example, one of the most spectacular wildlife events on the planet. Witnessing hundreds of thousands of wildebeest, zebras, and antelopes making their way across the African savanna is a truly awe-inspiring experience. And then there are the walking safaris, a chance to get up close and personal with the wildlife, surrounded by the sights and sounds of the African wilderness. Of course, no conversation about Tanzanian safaris would be complete without mentioning the Serengeti, arguably the most famous national park in Africa. This is the land of the Maasai, where lions roam free and the sunsets are simply breathtaking. And yet, despite its fame, the Serengeti still manages to surprise. Whether it's a chance encounter with a curious leopard or a hot air balloon ride over the treetops. Needless to say, the Serengeti is an absolute must-visit for any serious safari enthusiast. I still remember the first time I stumbled upon a pride of lions lazing in the shade. They were so close I could almost reach out and touch them, their golden fur glistening in the sunlight, their eyes fixed on me with a lazy curiosity. It was a moment that took my breath away, a reminder that, in the wild, you're always just a heartbeat away from something truly magnificent. In that instant, all my worries and fears just melted away, replaced by a sense of wonder and awe that I've never forgotten. As I reflect on my time in Tanzania, I'm reminded of just how life-changing a safari experience can be. It's not just about